What if you could completely transform your outdoor space without draining your savings account? A gravel patio might be exactly what you've been looking for. It's affordable, low maintenance, and surprisingly stylish when done right. More homeowners are discovering this budget-friendly option, and honestly, it's easy to see why. Whether you have a large backyard or a compact outdoor area, gravel gives you the flexibility to create something beautiful without the high cost of traditional paving materials. Gravel has been a go-to landscaping material for decades, and in 2026, it's more popular than ever. The reason is simple. It works. Compared to concrete or pavers, gravel costs a fraction of the price and requires very little upkeep once it's laid down. Rain drains through it naturally, which means no pooling water and no cracking over time. It also gives any outdoor area a relaxed, natural feel that blends beautifully with plants, wood, and almost any style of home. Before you order a single bag of gravel, take some time to plan your layout. Think about how you'll actually use the space. Will it be for dining, relaxing, entertaining, or all three? Measure your area carefully so you don't overbuy or run short. Sketching a rough outline really helps you visualize the finished result. The beauty of gravel is that it adapts to almost any shape, so whether you're working with a square, rectangle, or freeform design, it's incredibly forgiving and easy to customize. not all gravel is created equal, and choosing the right type makes a big difference in both appearance and comfort. Pea gravel is a fan favorite for patios because it's smooth, rounded, and gentle underfoot. Crushed granite offers a more compact surface that stays in place better over time. Decomposed granite gives a natural, earthy look that pairs well with garden-style settings. Each variety comes in different shades, so you can match the tone to your home's exterior and surrounding landscape without spending extra. A beautiful outdoor space doesn't require a big budget, it just requires the right idea and a little effort. Gravel patios prove that practical and stylish can absolutely go hand in hand. Whether you're starting from scratch or refreshing an existing area, this is a project that delivers real results without the stress of overspending. We hope this inspired you to take that first step toward the outdoor space you've always wanted. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and visit Decor Like Dream for more ideas just like this one.